Gord, the Service Manager for Lincolnberg Master Builder. Today we're going to show you how to replace your furnace filter. Doing this will prolong the life of your furnace, reduce energy costs, and improve the air quality of your home. In order to do this, you will need to unflip the cover, remove the faceplate, remove the furnace filter. As you can see, the airflow will always point to the motor, and reinstall the new one. Written on here as well is the date the filter is installed, so you don't forget. And you want to replace your filter every 3 months approximately, or preferably in Alberta, replace it in the spring, summer, and fall, and periodically check it throughout the winter, as winters are less dusty. Then reinstall the access panel. Thank you for watching Lincolnberg home maintenance videos. You can find more of these at lincolnberg.com/video. That's lincolnberg.com/video.